Day one in Vietnam. We arrived at our hotel in Hanoi last night. It was murky and misty as hell. Today we have some sunshine. Still quite murky out there. And what's the plan, Karen? What are we going to do?
It's quite a cool vibe here, so we're going to have a walk up through the old quarter today. Just take it easy. But it's got a great vibe.
This is Dong Xuan Market, which we're going to go and have a look through. It goes on. I think there's another 2 floors above me. This place is enormous. As chaotic as it looks, there does appear to be some order here. The various types of stalls are all co-located. Okay, we've stopped at a little street stall for some food. Karen's not eating. You're not hungry, are you, Karen?
I'm not hungry at all, so it's not that I'm avoiding street food. I'm just not hungry.
I've no idea what I'm getting. The lady running this stall has proffered me towards a stall and a table. There is a little bowl of something on there, and she's over there on the other side cooking me something. We'll see what it is in a second.
You are gorgeous.
Karen's made a new friend, this tiny little dog.
Yeah. What are you doing? Hello.
So dinner has been served. Apparently I use the leaves on the left to hold the food on the right and dip it into the sauce in the middle.
So Mark's tucking into his lunch. I'm not joining him, not because I don't want the street food, but just because I'm not actually hungry. He looks like he's enjoying it though. Lots of deep fat fried, tasty something. Egg. We think it's an egg. Maybe an eyeball, but we think it's an egg. Lots of salad and greens, all served on a banana leaf. You enjoying it, Mark?
I am.
You look like you're enjoying it.
Well, it was unusual. I've no idea still what I ate in the main. There's my chef in the background having a chat. We've made our way down to the famous, or infamous maybe, Railway Street. This is the beginning at I think the north end. I don't think it's what it once was. It's actually quite controlled by the police now. And I don't think there are that many trains that come down through the day. But we're going to take a wander down, find somewhere to get a drink, and suss it out. Apparently, we've got a train due at 3:15, and I think we're around about 2 o'clock now. So we'll find a spot and grab a couple of drinks to ease ourselves into the train turning up. We've managed to grab a couple of front row seats. We're expecting a train through in about an hour, maybe, who knows. And hopefully we won't get a load of crowd of people in front of us. We are right on the rails. Looking forward to it, Karen?
Yeah, I am. Couple of beers, chill out. Mind you, Mark says we've got front row seats. There is only front row seats because this place is really crammed, as you can see. There's nothing behind us, just tables and chairs in the front, and then the railway, which you can't see, but it's right there.
So where's the railway, Karen?
It's right there.
Well, that's filled up. The train is due in about 10 minutes. So here we go. Hello. Whether or not you can hear me across the thumping music, I don't know. Well, I will when I watch the video. But we walked the full length of the street, all the way up, halfway back down, before stopping off to get a couple of beers, which we're now quite happily quaffing. And of course, I've since then realised that we are in the famous or infamous beer street in Hanoi. Given its name, you can probably figure out what it's all about. Well, if it's not too obvious, you've had a few beers.
9 to be precise.
So we've had 9 beers between the pair of us, which, given our age, is probably quite a lot. It's been a good night, and it's quite mad, as one would expect in Beer Street.
Car coming.
Fair to say, the Beer Street was an experience. Generally a good one.
Hello, Masa. Great, great, great.